What's up, Warehouse fam? Welcome back to the Warehouse Gym. Melanie here with
Giselle.
And today we'll be just going over a few of our updates on the wellness room here at the Warehouse.
All right, so the wellness room amenities are our 2 cold plunges, we have 2 infrared saunas, and our most newest addition, our hyper-rise compression legs.
And remember, to be able to gain access to the Wellness Patio, you must have it by add-on to your current membership so we can allow you that wellness room to your PDK app. Check it out.
So some of the top benefits of the cold plunge is 1, it helps with your muscle recovery, 2, it boosts your energy and your mood, and 3, it strengthens your immune system and your performance inside the gym.
That's correct, Warehouse fam. And please remember, our cold plunges are set to be immersed in extremely cold water. It is set already at 39 to 41 degrees, so please do not tamper with the settings on the chiller. Please leave as so that every single member of our Wellness Patio can enjoy their member experience.
All right, Warehouse fam, so here in the Wellness Patio, in the back we have 2 infrared saunas that both have 3 levels of infrared. They have lots of benefits to them, but the top 3 I would say would be 1, it helps to detox your body, 2, it helps rejuvenate your skin, and 3, it reduces inflammation in your muscles, so it helps reduce muscle soreness.
And that is correct, Warehouse fam. Please make sure that the rules for the 2 saunas are that you make sure that you wear beach attire / bikini attire, no free balling in the sauna, make sure that you are wearing flip-flops or barefoot, no shoes allowed for the cleanliness of others, as well as both tablets in the saunas. Please do not tamper with the tablets by moving around any login info or trying to reset or restart. Simply just choose a program from the current ones that are available in the sauna or with the Warehouse program, and you can simply just use it, and then if it does run out of time, just restart and use it just like so.
All right, welcome back, Warehouse fam. Today we are introducing our newest addition, the Hyper-Rise Compression Leg Sleeves. Top benefits for the leg sleeves are that they actually reduce inflammation and swelling in your muscles, so they help promote circulation in the body. All right, so rules for the compression leg sleeves: you must wear pants, sweats are okay, leggings are okay, we cannot wear shorts, and we must wear socks while using it. And lastly, wipe down after every use for the cleanliness of each member.
Perfect, Warehouse fam. So we are going to have 2 separate leg rise compression sleeves. Each box is going to have a set of the Hyper-Rise compression sleeves, as well as having the control unit that's going to have 7 different pressures. We are going to have the legs, since we only have those attachments, and then you can do different zones if you'd like to do lower leg, calf, or upper as well. And then it does have time for 15 minutes, up to 30, and also 1 hour as well. It's going to have the start and stop, and then this is going to be the power unit on the side. We also are going to have the actual charging cable that connects to your power supply and that connects to the actual control unit. Last but not least, we are going to have the cord that connects to the power unit and then to the 2 Hyper-Rise leg sleeves. So all of that can be found inside our 2 boxes, and we do have 2 separate ones. Thank you, Warehouse fam, for tuning in. My name is Melanie.
I'm Giselle, and we hope you guys enjoy the newest additions to our Wellness Patio.
See you here at the Warehouse Gym.